Bible stories translated. What up? Welcome to another video. All right, so in this one, we're gonna talk about the story where there was this guy, real special guy. His name was Joseph. He was gonna get married. He found out that his fiance was pregnant. He was low-key a real good dude, where he was just gonna step away, maybe say, oh, I changed my mind. I'm not ready for this right now. Still wanna live the bachelor life for a little bit, get into my carpentry a little bit more, focus on that. Maybe we'll revisit this later. It's all me, it ain't you. That was his vibe. He wasn't gonna say, hey, you know what, I found out you're pregnant, tell everybody, whatever. No, low key, he was just gonna keep it to himself and then just step away and keep busy with him. He was gonna do him. So then Joseph decides, hey, you know what? He went about his business. I'm good. And in a dream, an angel appeared to him and was like, hey, you know what? Your fiance, don't trip. She's really special. She's been favored by God and she's conceived. She's gonna be a mom. You're gonna be the stepdad. This is like some high level activities going on here. This is some godly like stuff. No one had anything to do with it besides God and her saying it was cool. And I'm just asking you, say, you know what? Move forward with it. Don't say nothing, but move forward with the marriage. You're a special dude and you're gonna be the stepfather to her baby. And this guy, he just said, let's go. I'm gonna be a dad. Real special story. I think when I heard this story as a young adult is the same time that I found out that this character in the Bible, this Joseph guy, doesn't say a word in the Bible. That's so powerful. That hit me so hard because that's powerful. The fact that saying nothing is saying something. Such a main character in the story, not a word. The way I translate that story straight up, I get the chills. It's simple. It's pretty much, for me, the way I see that is when you're connected to the stream of consciousness and you're listening to your conscience and you're living a conscience-guided life, sometimes as strange as the directions sound, you gotta follow it. It'll never steer you wrong. It hasn't for me. The moment I connected to the stream of consciousness and just listen to my conscience, continuously listen to my conscience, I am guided step by step that lights up by my conscience. I don't question it. I just go. Do this, go. Don't do this, done. That's what he did. And that's what I think that's the message. My representation of that angel that visited him in his dream is, to me, my conscience that continuously is in the background. Kind of like in my 24/7 dream. This life is a dream. And it's guiding me moment by moment, telling me, like I said, what I should do and what I shouldn't do. And I don't question it. Most of my life, I did question it because I wouldn't do it. I would only do what would have the least amount of resistance, the least amount of discomfort, and the most amount of pleasure, most amount of ease, most amount of comfort. That's the interpretation I have. Listen to your conscience. It's the guiding light. It'll tell you what to do and what to not do. You don't question it. As strange as the directions sound, sometimes really? For real? There's times where I get directions from my conscience. It's that's totally doesn't seem like it's the correct way to go. I wanted to go over here. And this decision makes it sound like I'm going this way. And then I do go that way for a quick moment, and then it's like a shortcut, and I go straight to where I wanted to go. How does it happen? I don't question it. That's the example. He didn't question it. He didn't tell the angel, hey, why? What's up? What do you know? Or what? Or whatever. We haven't hooked up or nothing. What do you mean? Tell me more. He didn't. He just said, let's go. Connect with the stream of consciousness. Listen to your conscience. Live a conscience-guided life. Don't question it. And you'll find out that every right step lights up every moment of the day onto what direction you need to go to attract all the things that you've ever wanted, because we're supposed to have all the things we've ever wanted. Hope this helps. Catch you on the next one. And if you got any comments or questions, bust them in the comments. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you haven't yet. Catch you on the next one.